Hello, 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 and welcome to the TV room. I'm testing Vic-20 cartridges, and now we have Mole Attack. We do. So with any cartridge, make sure the machine is turned off, line it up, push it in, turn it on. Okay, and it just comes up and says, TYU, oh, TYU, TH, so it's kind of the middle of the keyboard thing. Oh, I know this isn't going to go well. And I'm going to put my finger on the H, and then I'm going to go from there. Oh, missed. Oh. I'm not doing well. I'm not doing well. I should have looked at the instructions more. Oh. I'll just hit random keys. Okay, I'm just going to let this stop. Obviously, there we go. Game over. High score, 15. Yeehaw. Let's look at that again. Let's look at those instructions. Okay, we got that to move. 150 points extended play. Okay, yellow guy. Yellow guy. Okay, I guess if they don't look like moles, I shouldn't hit them. Maybe I need to put my fingers on the keyboard like as if I was typing. Let's see here. This is not going well. Oh, I should be doing so much better at this, but I'm not. I can type. J, U, J, don't do that. And those ones are bad. Those are bad ones. G, 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 G. Isn't that lovely? Well, I think you know what, with practice, it could be quite dandy. I can type. That just didn't go well. It just didn't go well. It didn't. It does have a cool demo. Like if I let this sit here for a while. There it is. It'll keep doing that. Oh, you know what also? I was looking at the big screen. See, the big screen is a little bit behind the other screen. It's just the way it is. The cable's longer. May not make sense, but yet it does. Game over. Well, the cartridge works. And that is what matters. So, yeah, I could have buried myself some more and try that, but I don't think I will. So there it is. Mole attack on the Vic-20. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Thanks for coming. Bye for now. Oh, it's still doing its demo. We're there fast. Game over. Bye.